Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to be doing some deep cleaning and cleanup of our face. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove excess dirt and impurities from your pores, shrink your pores, and also do a really deep clean. You can do this every 2 weeks or every month if you need, and it is going to give you fresh new skin without the look of congestion or blackheads, whiteheads, all of that. So the main important thing is that we're going to start with cleansing. I'm going to be using this silicone cleansing brush. This is from Etude House, and my cleanser is also from a Korean brand, I think. I use a whole bunch of different cleansers. If you want to use something natural, you can definitely use raw milk by itself, given that you're not wearing any makeup. So I'm starting off by cleansing. I like to use the brush and cleanse my skin for up to 5 minutes. So when you give yourself about 5 minutes to do this, your face it might get a bit red. And then we're going to jump into steaming. Now extraction and steaming I'm going to do first, and I'm going to be doing a chemical exfoliation at the end. So I'm just using a pot of boiling water, and I put in some green tea in there. Green tea is amazing for your skin. I actually let this steam my face for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to be doing extraction, which is the third important step. I've got this really amazing tool kit which I got online, but it's got 3 extracting tools. What I've also done is I've sanitized my tools with rubbing alcohol. Make sure you do clean your tools, otherwise you're going to be doing the opposite of cleaning your skin. You're going to be spreading bacteria. So because my pores were open from the steaming, I am just extracting all my pores. I got so much dirt out of my nose. And the fourth step is to mask. Now, as well as doing a multi-masking, I'm applying some pore strips. You can use absolutely any brand of pore strips if you prefer to use pore strips. If you don't have pore strips, you can definitely use a good clay mask, and that should suck up all the impurities. I am also adding this mask to my T-zone. This is the new Sand and Sky mask, which was sent to me. And then I've got this Spanish enzyme pumpkin mask from last year, and I'm using this on my cheek area. So I feel like I've been quite hormonal, and I just need something to really pick my skin up. As you can see, I've got a pimple and all that going on as well. So after 10 minutes, I'm removing the pore strip. I am cleaning my mask off with this microfiber cloth. And now we're going to pack on the exfoliation. So I am using chemical exfoliation. You can use lactic acid, you can use glycolic acid. I'm using this lactic acid, which is honestly one of my favorite chemical exfoliation serums. So this is so mild on the skin. You can use this every single day, and instead of scrubbing my skin like crazy, which a lot of us promote most of the time, I have been preferring chemical exfoliation. Exfoliation is the other really important step when you're doing a skin cleanup. Now I am just popping on some serums. I'm using the Sand and Sky serum. I'm also going to be using this Bioscience cream. This is their repair cream. And now to pack everything in, I'm going to be using this La Roche-Posay Cicaplast cream. So this is a B5. This actually locks in moisture into your skin. The last step after applying all your products, every single thing, is icing. Now, if you don't have a roller, like a face roller, you can use a jade, a rose quartz roller. You can definitely use an ice cube, but just put it in a tissue or something. And you want to get this out of the freezer, so make sure you use something cold. And now we're going to close our pores. Because we did steaming, in the beginning of the video, it's really important that we close our pores up, because you don't want any bacteria or dirt going into your pores. And this is the final step of my cleanup. My skin looks absolutely amazing after I do this. This is me in natural light. As you can see, I do have a pimple scar, but that is it. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Bye.